I'm Jeremy Owens with Three Generations Improvements, and my title is Vice President. Three Generations Improvements specializes in exterior home improvements, so siding, windows, decking, patio covers, and fire defense systems. Third generation in this industry, so we have over 150 years of combined experience between my grandfather, who started in the 1950s, my dad in the 70s, and myself in 2002. We've continually grown through the years, but never wanted to be the biggest guy on the block. We like to control the quality and the expertise of our products and services. Three Generations Improvements has won various awards through the years, including the Remodeling Magazine Big 50 of the Year. We also have the best of the best for 10 years running, and we have certifications for all the products we install. So we are certified to install James Hardie as the Elite Preferred Contractor, LP SmartSide's Master Craftsman Award, as well as Anderson's Certified Contractor Award. Grandpa Bob started in the industry in 1956, and him and my dad Kurt in the 70s started a home remodeling business up in Spokane, Washington, where we're from, called Owens Western Builders. Circumstances brought us down to California, and my dad and myself and Grandpa formed Three Generations Improvements out in Folsom, California in 2006. So we've been doing this our entire lives. Our entire lineage is in home remodeling, but we started in the California area in the early 2000s. I think for us, it's turning an unsatisfied customer into a satisfied one. So I remember a client who had a situation with a wall. We didn't do it great. There was some human error that happened on this wall. Didn't look great. She got really upset, and she was really kind of wondering what we were going to do about it. So, hey, look, how about we just redo this wall? And she looked at us and said, like, really, you would do that? And we said, sure, no problem. So it was the fact that we turned that unsatisfied customer that for sure was going to be, maybe a negative review, but none of it was going to look good upon Three Generations, and we turned into a happy client. I think the thing that makes Three Generations Improvements different is our family approach. You have myself and my dad Kurt that are present. We're the only sales guys that are out there. So you're not gonna see a salesperson, you're not gonna see an employee, you're only gonna see an owner when we set up your project. And so we really want that home feel, that home-based business feel from the start to the very end. Our slogan at Three Generations Improvements is, it's not just your home, it's our legacy. And that really is our mission statement and marching orders as well. So we treat every home as if it's our own. So we don't cut corners. We want to make sure we're educating our clients and to make the right decision for them. So for us, it's really about treating that home as if it's our own and making sure that our legacy continues.